Easy installation. Nilight 7 LED headlights were engineered to be a direct plug-and-play replacement for your Wrangler's original stock lights. With the included H4-H13 wiring harness adapters, needed for 2007 plus models, installation can be completed in under 30 minutes. Superior LED lighting, featuring premium high-output LEDs, these Nilight headlights output 4,500 lumens for the high beams and 3,200 lumens for the low beams. With a 60% lower power consumption than standard headlights, these LED lights have a lifespan of up to 50,000 hours and feature a 6,000 K cool white color temperature. SAE Certified. These Nilight 7 round LED headlights pass both certification and SAE certification requirements, making legal for street use. These LED lights also feature a dust and waterproof rating of IP67, which makes them perfect for use on the muddiest of trails. Application. These Nilight 7 LED headlights are designed to fit 1997 to 2017 Jeep Wrangler TJJK and fit motorbikes with 7-inch headlamps. Package included: 2PCS Jeep Wrangler LED headlights plus H4 to H13 adapter. Fit type: universal. Top reviews from the United States. Yeah, really bright. Okay, these headlights fit perfectly and really make a difference when driving at night. However, there is one thing wrong with them. When you are installing, you'll see it is clearly marked top. Well, they will not shine on the road this way. High beams will barely hit the road, and the normal beams are looking far above you. Install these with the top at the bottom. They are not marked right. Otherwise, they work great.